What if I told you you can build quantum circuits just by dragging and dropping visualized quantum states in real time, and run advanced algorithms like GHZ and QFT, all in one place? Sounds like a full quantum lab, right? Welcome to PakTron Quantum Circuit Platform. 4D visuals and amazing functions. Let's break it down simply. PakTron is a quantum circuit simulator plus visual development environment. That means you can design circuits visually or write code and instantly see what's happening inside a quantum system. First major feature, the interactive circuit builder. You get a clean interface. Drag gates and drop them onto qubits. Click to remove or modify gates. Now comes execution-level control. Measurement, M. Reset qubit to 0. Barrier, for circuit separation. This means you can simulate real quantum workflows, not just toy circuits. This is where PakTron becomes powerful. 1. Probability grid. Shows measurement probabilities, like a histogram of outcomes. 2. Q-sphere, state map. Visualizes quantum states in 3D-like format. Shows phase plus amplitude. 3. Block vectors. Understand single qubit states geometrically. This is huge for learning plus research. Here's something very powerful. Whatever circuit you build visually, PakTron automatically generates code. Supported formats: PakTron Python, OpenQASM 2.0, OpenQASM 3.0. That means you can go from visual to real quantum code instantly. Now let's talk power. PakTron uses a state vector simulator with complex number math, matrix-based gate operations, multi-qubit tensor handling. Supports up to 8 qubits, full quantum state evolution, accurate gate matrices, verified. This is not basic. This is mathematically correct simulation. You can run circuits with custom number of shots, for example, 1024, real measurement sampling, and probabilistic outputs. Just like real quantum hardware, PakTron also gives you Bell state generator, GHZ state, and quantum Fourier transform, QFT. So you can test complex algorithms instantly. Advanced feature, circuit health indicator, fidelity style insights, performance visualization. Helps you analyze how good your circuit is. You can import Python quantum code, parse and rebuild circuits automatically, export your work as files. Perfect for students, researchers, developers. You also get qubit control, classical bits control, shot configuration, save files. Everything you need in a real IDE. PakTron includes some rare features: iSwap gate, ECR, hardware-relevant gate, DCX, double CNOT, QASM 3.0 support, phase visualization toggles. These are not common in basic simulators. So yeah, PakTron is not just a simulator. It's a complete quantum development environment. If you're serious about quantum computing, research, or building next-gen tech, this is something you should definitely try. You see everything: structure, behavior, output. Try PakTron Quantum Circuit Platform and start building. Try today. Try now. PakTron, your best option for quantum.